Mobile Trader: how to access and install the XM iPad Trader application. In this video, we are going to show you the easy steps of installing and accessing the XM iPad Trader on your iPad. In order to install the app on your iPad, you have two options. For the first option, you need to visit the xm.com website and proceed as follows. Click the Platforms button located at the top side of our homepage. After this, locate the Tablet section and select the MT4 for iPad from the list. Then click the App Store button, which will take you to the iTunes App Store website. The second option is to open App Store on your iPad and proceed as follows. First, locate the MT4 platform on the iTunes App Store by entering the term MetaTrader 4 in the search field. Click the MT4 icon to install the trading software on your iPad. After this, you will be prompted to select between Start without registration, Open a personal demo account, and log into an existing account. On clicking any of the three options, a new window opens. Now enter the word XM in the search field. Click the XM demo icon if you have a demo account, or the XM real icon if you have a real account. Here, please make sure that you choose the correct server. If you wish to remain anonymous, click on the first option, where an account will be automatically created for you. To access your account, you will need to enter your login and your password. Once you have logged into your account, you can start trading on your iPad with the XM iPad Trader. Thank you for watching.